Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to create chords. Whether you know music theory or not. Like, you don't have to know music theory to know how to create chords in FL Studio. Yeah, we're using FL Studio here. So let's jump in. This is FL keys. Just going to jump inside. Okay, so what he will come to is this arrow here. Come to stomp. This part is for chords. You see it here. Those of you that know music theory, you'll enjoy this part. Then this part is for scale. So most times you use major scale or the minor melodic. You're going to stay with these two scales. For now, let's go to major scale. So if I drop this, the notes of the scale will come out. I can drag this to any key I want, and it will also be correct for that key. For now, I'm going to stay with this C, which is all the white keys. Bring it here. I'm going to click. Okay, click and hold. It's not working. I have a video for this, but I'm just going to do this quickly. I'll leave the video in the video card. If you click and hold and the thing will not double like this, I have a video for that. We have the two black keys here, then to the white. So two black keys here, then the white. So that's where I'm going to drop this. Okay, double it. So I'm going to drop the first note here. Now this is how to get the chords. I'm going to leave out the next note and click on the next note. So this one, I'm going to leave 2 to 3, and I'm going to leave 4 to 5. Then if you want to do it for the second one too, this second, you leave thirds to fourths, and you leave fifths to sixths, like that. So you get the idea. That's how to form your chords. Third two, if you want to do it for the third one, drop the third one here, then you leave the fourth one to fifth one, then you leave the sixth one to seventh one. So you just know how to get your chords there without learning any music theory. Okay, for now, what I'm going to do for the major scale 1, 4, and 5. So I'll just go to the 4 and drop notes. Okay, this is 4. Leave the 5 and go to 6. Leave the 7 and go to 8. It's not supposed to be 8, it's 1. But you just leave the next one. Like this is 4, you leave 5 to 6 and you put it there. You leave 7 to this next one, you put it there. That is back to 1 because it's the same thing as the 1. It's the octave, same thing as the 1. The next one will be the 5th note. So I just want to use the 1st, the 4th, and the 5th note. Most times these notes can create good chords, and the 1st, the 4th, the 5th, and even the 6th create good chords. So let's just put the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll leave this one out to the next one. 2, leave this one out to the next one. Third note. Oh, mute that. My mute 2 here, and just okay. I only need to click 1 to mute. Okay. The notes are too close for me, so I'm going to move this one out. Select the, move it out. Then I'll bring in this one here. Then I'll bring this way, and I'll make all the notes longer. You have your chords there. Another thing I want you to know is like we have the 1 here. Look at these 2 black notes. Before the 2 black keys is this white key. So you can come to the top one, look at the 2 black keys here, look at the white key. You can come here and drop a note to make it a little thicker. You can do this to any note. Like we have 1, 2, 3 black keys, then down of the first black key of the 3 black keys. So 3 black keys. Okay, this is the first one. The down of it, we have a note there. We can drag that and put the note here. So you get the idea. Let me do that to this note here, but I'm going to drop it down. So this is 2 black notes down of it. We have here 2 black notes down. I'm going to drop this. The 2 black keys in the middle. I have a note here. So I want to bring it down. Last, I want to have another note down. So the 2 black notes down. So now this is what we have. Okay, so you can be creative with that and come up with some good stuff. Yeah. So just play around with those notes. Right now, I believe you now know how to make chords with the major scale and the minor scale too. You use the same, which is this stamp, come to here, minor melodic scale, and when you drop it, you see the scale. This is the notes that make up the scale. Then you just do the same thing to get your chords. I believe you can now get your chords without music theory. It sounds robotic a little. I have a video to show you how to make your piano sound more real in FL Studio. I'll leave that in the video card. Okay, you can do this in any version of FL Studio you use. So like this video if you like it. If you have any question, let me know. Hit me up. Let me know what you think about this video. I'm going to have more videos coming for people who don't know much about music theory, how to build melody notes and those kind of stuff. If you haven't already, subscribed to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when we drop those new dope videos to help you in music production and in your music in general. I'm alloneprostudio. This is alloneprostudio. That's it.
See me small, don't believe your eyes. Don't give in to a narrow